Usapang PSU naman tayo today, guys. And this is probably one of the most important part sa loob ng isang desktop PC, which oftenly na-overlook ng mga tao. You would spend a lot on your processor, on your motherboard, on your RAM, and other parts. But yung PSU, gagamitin mo yung chipipay lang. Now, I overheard another vlogger saying si InPlay GS450 Pro na mayroong 450 watts daw na true rated na power supply unit na may 80 watts na bronze is the top of the line? Ha? Gaming PSU daw. I mean, what? That is for me one of the generic na PSU and yet it was claimed to be top of the line. Kaya guys, today nag-isip akong gawin itong video na ito to educate you and of course to share to you what are the good PSU that you should use para sa inyong gaming rig. And to let you know na PSU should not be compromised. Simulan natin. So hi guys, I'm the Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. Now for today's topic, gusto ko pakita sa inyo one brand that I trust pagdating sa PSU. And this one is si XPG. And I have here in my hands na gusto ko pakita sa inyo, it's a XPG na Core Reactor 850 Gold. True rated talaga to guys na 850 na watts. And alam mo guys, pag sinabi mong yung mga top of the line na PSU, yung wattage mo, hindi mo pwede compromise. Most of the time, yung mga budget na PSU, underpower yun. Pag sinabi 450 watts, siguro probably makukuha mo 350, 300, ganun lang. Hindi talaga siya true rated. But like this one, si XPG, it's trusted. It's being recommended by Tom's Hardware for 2022 as one of the better PSU for gaming. Kaya kampante ako na i-recommend ko to sa inyo, si XPG. Ayan guys, kita nyo, meron pa siyang 10 years na warranty. And 80 plus ang kanyang gold rating dito sa PSU na ito. And what's nice dito sa PSU na ito, it's modular. So meaning, kung ano mga kailangan mo, kakabit mo lang siya. Hindi siya sobrang dami para naka-octopus na wires na nakakabit. So definitely, it should be nice, no? Mas hindi maraming wires sa loob na yung PC. So we have here, it's your user guide, some stickers, power cable, andito lahat ng cables, and the PSU itself. So kita nyo guys dito sa likod, dito may kakabit yung mga kung ano kinakailangan mo lang. So you don't need to have it all para naka-octopus lang sa likod ng yung PC, which is very dangling, no? I believe that this one should be one of the PSU that you should invest, lalo na if you're a gamer. Lalo na kung medyo OC kayo pagdating sa cable management, this is your best bet. Sa likod kita natin ang switch and of course dito makakabit ang yung power cable. Now, sa ilalim ang kanyang fan which has a intelligent na fan curve. And balita ko gamit nila dito sa loob is premium Japan capacitor. So definitely maaasahan mo talaga siya. Sa loob ng kanyang 10 years warranty, here are some of its promises. Overpower protection, short circuit protection, no load operation, over temperature protection, surge and inrush protection, over current protection, over voltage protection, and under voltage protection. Ang dami ng sinabi. Now guys, pag sinabi mo 80 plus gold ang kanyang PSU rating, definitely this is one of the top na pwede mong mapili, no? So syempre bronze, alam naman natin it's medyo mababa. But if you want to make a really nice gaming rig, you have to buy yung gold na PSU rating. Now, as compared sa ibang mga leading brands, this one has more PCI Express na 6+2 pins. And it means na mas kung marami kayong mga ibang attachment na kinakabit, this one can supply more to your PC. Now, here in the Philippines, itong XPG na Core Reactor is being priced at around 6,700 pesos as compared sa ibang mga leading brands which is priced around mga 7,000 plus pesos. For me, okay. Definitely itong PSU is geared towards yung mga people who needs more power, pure power pagdating sa gaming, just like me. But of course, hindi lahat ng tao gamer. Now, I have here another one which I can recommend personally to those who are building a PC. Yung more of pang video edit, for daily usage na hindi mo mako-compromise ang power. And what I'm mentioning is this one, si XPG na Pylon 750 Bronze na PSU. Now, itong PSU na ito is more on for the budget people. But of course, don't compare in price sa InPlay na GS450 Pro. This one, double the price, I know, but yung performance is definitely more than double. Now, the advantage sa mga true rated na PSU like this one is, one, may protection ka sa iyong motherboard and yung processor. Lalo kung marami kayong attachment nilagay sa inyong desktop PC, once na nag-underpower yan, madadamage yung motherboard plus yung processor, which results to mas malaki ang gastos nyo in the end. Buksan natin. User guide, stickers, power cable. And so, this is what I'm mentioning. Kung gusto niyo ng modular, no, definitely mas malinis ang yung cable management. But if you're going on a budget, you can always purchase something like this. Yung nga lang medyo maraming mga cables, naka-line-line, lalo mga hindi mo ginagamit, well, it's still there. Nakaabang lang siya. Unlike sa mga modulars, like the Core Reactor, kakabitin mo if kailangan mo lang. So this is how it looks like, si Pylon. Ito ang likod niya. Ito ang mga ratings niya. And dito sa ilalim niya is a 120mm na fluid dynamic bearing na fan. And this one comes with a 3 years warranty, and here are some of its promises. Over power protection, short circuit protection, no load operation, over temperature protection, surge and inrush protection, over current protection, over voltage protection, and under voltage protection. Now, since this is a 80 plus na bronze certification, and what really gained my trust is the cybernetics na ETA and LAMBDA certification, which definitely for me, mas kampante ako. Now guys, ito bonus na ito. Ito para sa mga addict lang talaga. So I have here is something really for those yung mga enthusiasts lang, no? So this is the XPG na CyberCore 1300 Platinum Modular Power Supply na I'm not sure kung meron na dito sa Philippines. And this one, guys, by the way, is for the enthusiasts lang dahil hindi siya mura. This one is priced at around 15,000 pesos dahil 1,300 watts of pure rated power ang meron nito. And it's also a modular. Check nyo guys yung mga certification na, no? And it's a 80 plus na platinum certificate, which is the highest na certificate na meron for PSUs natin. Pag mas mahal, definitely mas maganda ang packaging. Meron pa siyang sleeve. Pero sa loob, well, it's the same. Manual, stickers. Pinaganda lang. Here are all the cables. And of course, ang kanyang PSU. Woo! Ganda. OMG guys, ang dami ng ports. And ang cooling fan niya is made by Nidec. Kanyang mga ratings, ito ang kanyang likod, ito ang kanyang gilid. So guys, I hope may natutunan kayo sa mga high-end, low-end, and budget na PSU. And of course, at the end of this video, gusto ko lang impart sa inyo na pagdating sa PSU, do not compromise. Lalo na mga pag sinasabi 450 watts, normally, yung mga budget like 1,000 plus na pesos na PSU, ampaw yan guys. Hindi yan true rated. Trust me, I've been building PC since 1999 and yung mga generic na PSU, ang bilis nila masira. Hindi sila tumatagal ng 1 year, 2 year. Beyond 2 years, good as goodbye na siya. But yung mga PSU like this one, meron 10 years of warranty, and yung mga a little bit lower na series has 3 years of warranty. You are assured na at least 3 years tatagal ang iyong PSU should nothing happen. But of course guys, I would suggest na bumili kayo ng mga UPS na may surge protect and AVR function para double protection sa inyong PC. So guys, kung may natutunan kayo, don't forget to share this video, like, subscribe, of course, click that bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?